Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set sleep time on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. In settings, go to display. And display, okay, you can see the sleep, and the sleep is set into 5 minutes. And okay guys, to change or set the sleep time, you'll have to do is stop the sleep. And the pop-up bar show, okay, you can see the option. You can set into 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. And okay guys, I decide to change into 30 minutes. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the sleep time on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.